I was facing many health issues since, first of all, I'm an asthmatic patient using inhalers regularly. But above that, the main issues were anxiety, all this premenstrual menstrual syndrome, PMS symptoms, which used to trouble me a lot. Immediately, the change which I observed was uh, again this anxiety symptoms and this PMS symptoms reduced drastically. Very nice. No bloating, no gastric difficulties. So I think this will help more ladies. Regarding asthma, I have reduced my inhaler intake. I just use once in a while. That's all because I have been asthmatic since last 20 years.
Hello, hi, namaste. Today we have Lakshmi ji. She's an online tutor and from Kerala. She has reduced her PMS symptoms in 95% of her PMS symptoms in like I think couple of weeks, and she has been in our community for the past 1 month. It's been a 1 month of journey for her. So like she has able to see a lot of changes in her daily life. So let's see what changes have she able to make after coming to the community. So welcome, Lakshmi ji.
So
So
nice
Lakshmi
to
ji, I just wanted to know from you, like why did you choose to come here? So that's first question I would like to know. Go ahead.
yeah. Okay. I'm from Kerala, Cochin, and this community is, first of all, I want to say I chose this community because I was facing many health issues since a few months or maybe 1 year or more. First of all, I'm an asthmatic patient using inhalers regularly. But above that, the main issues were anxiety, all this premenstrual menstrual syndrome, PMS symptoms, which used to trouble me a lot. I think most of the ladies in my age group after 40s can understand what they are going through. It's really a tough time for them, and maybe everyone in the family also may not be able to understand that. But then the main thing is that we have to maintain we have to be peaceful always. As ladies, we have to uh, take care of the kids, of the family, of the home, our work, everything. So that's when I came across this advertisement of Conscious Breathing Hub in Facebook. And I thought I just attend the orientation or the uh, workshop which was conducted on June 25th, like that. So it's now 1 month I'm this community, and I really feel great. And I would like to share my experiences with all of you, because we have to take care of our health, and that is what only remains with us. If, whatever it be, if we don't have good health and peace within ourselves, it's not we can't whatever is there. It's no use actually. There's no use of anything else. So. Okay, then can I share my.
Great. So, like, yeah, you were facing asthma, you are having asthma, you're using inhalers and anxiety, and also because you're going in the process of menopause, and you have those symptoms, and like quite imbalances as well, right? So, great. But like, can you tell us like what are the changes did you observe immediately after starting practicing these breathing techniques and all the challenges which we are having? And also, what are the long-term changes? Like it's been 1 month. It's not actually long. It's actually short only. But what are the changes have you observed over the month, as well as what are the changes did you observe immediately after starting practicing?
Okay. So immediately, the change which I observed was uh, again this anxiety symptoms and this PMS symptoms reduced drastically. I started observing the breath, and observing the breath, and then oxygen started. I felt oxygen is entering, and I was very consciously breathing. Actually, the name I think this is the app name for this group or this course, Conscious Breathing Hub. We become conscious about ourselves. We start loving ourselves. We start taking care of ourselves because most of the people they don't find any me time. We all need me time for ourselves so that uh, uh, there are so many changes. I can't just count and tell. The first symptom I got relieved was the PMS symptom. Actually, last month I was planning to meet a psychiatrist, because I felt so numbness in my head, brain fogging, and keep forgetting things. getting irritated, frustrated for small, small things. It's all just 1 or 2 weeks before I get my menstruation. So then I thought I have to do something seriously. But then I didn't want to have all these psychiatric medicines, which will again lead me to maybe I was not so serious about it. Then I started doing this. Within 2 or 3 days, I started finding so good and relief. And this month, I was so happily. And you can ask my family; they are also happy, and they are also joining me in this doing this. So it's very nice, very nice. No bloating, no gastric difficulties. So I think this will help more ladies. Regarding asthma, I have reduced my inhaler intake. I just use once in a while. That's all because I have been asthmatic since last 20 years. So I thought I just didn't want to put an end to it suddenly because all those are steroids and it will reduce our lung capacity. So I thought I'll just reduce it, and now I'm not using it much. Once in a while, I'll just have. That's all. But then I don't think that is also necessary now. And the main thing is that when we do the practice regularly, it's become a responsibility within ourselves. We are doing something for ourselves, and so it's very important. And I wish everyone of us, maybe we are having so much money, we are having a good job, but then spending 30 minutes in 24 hours for ourselves will it makes us so energetic. Whole day after my practice till night I'm sleeping. I don't like to feel I had fatigue also, but now I don't like to sleep in the afternoon. I keep on doing something. 'Cause, I feel so energetic. The 1 month ka change is so drastic.
Mm. Wow, that's awesome. Like even like 20 years of asthma. Like I think you have been visiting many doctors. How much have you spent so far on your health? Like for a medication, visiting doctors or anything? Have you spent some money? Because like there is no cure for asthma in the medical terms.
Yeah.
So
No, that's
have
correct.
you also been told that like there is no cure for asthma, so you have to just carry forward with this? Like is there
Yeah,
anything
sure.
like?
I was told like that. Because inhalers, I have since my eldest son is 20 years now. So after his birth only, I got asthma, and after that, I have been visiting so many doctors. I don't have an account of how much money I spent for this. Actually, now after having so many medicines and steroids and everything, I thought I put on weight also. Now to be happy, I'll tell you one more thing. I have reduced weight. My abdomen has gone in, and also people ask me, "You're looking so nice now." Face and all has a this shining now. What is the secret? I told I'll tell you. I'll ask you to join something. It's because only of breathing and hair growth, hair loss has also reduced. For ladies, will be concerned regarding their beauty, their shape, their hair, skin. So I feel so much difference in that also.
That's awesome because see one problem leads to another problem. When we are taking medication or when you are taking inhalers, you're suppressing the symptoms.
Yeah.
You're not curing the root cause of the problem that people don't understand. But you may spend like medicines, for example, you may spend 1,000 or 2,000 rupees per month. That doesn't seem big, but in the long run, per year, how much are you spending? Like it's 24,000 rupees per year for medicines, and also that medicines will have side effects.
Yes. Yes.
Also those steroids also have side effects. That's the reason like you also feel bloating or you also feel hair loss, you also feel like aging, early aging, and all this happens because of this, because we are suppressing the symptoms, natural symptoms which are occurred by body, instead of addressing the root cause of the problem, dear friends. So whoever is watching, this is very very important, whether you join or don't join, or whether you go to any class or not, like any practice any breathing or any healing techniques or not, but do understand that whether you have hypertension or any problem, when you are taking medication, you are just suppressing your symptoms, not healing those symptoms. You might be expecting that at least next year I'll be able to hold, next year I will be able to heal. So if you see Lakshmi ji, like 20 years she has spent her life with that, right? So I do not want you all to go to that longer journey. Do you feel that Lakshmi ji, like I would have found this little earlier so that I would have solved my
Yeah, very
symptoms?
much, very much. Even when I attended your workshops or for the first time, When I can tell you openly regarding the payment, I was just thinking, oh, should I spend so much for breathing? Then I thought, when we go to some supermarket, we buy all sorts of junk food. When we go to a restaurant for a dinner, we spend 2,000, 3,000 rupees. So it's for lifelong. It's a lifelong companion I have got in this group. And sir, you're really great. And now it's a part of my life. Whatever it be, I do my, this is the 24th day challenge today I did, breathing challenge. I feel so good. My body has become more flexible. I feel so light. And actually, I should not be sitting like this at this time of my life. I know because I will be irritated. I'll be uh, nagging over small, small things. And my kids and my husband know that what I was in the last month and what I am today. So that's why even I feel so good for myself that I am able to be so good to them, so good to everyone I meet, and above all, I can sleep peacefully. That is also there. Usually, I wake up 2 to 3 times in the night, and now I sleep properly very much. And especially after the 3 days, Monday, Wednesday, Friday sessions, I feel so happy. And we have early dinner. Everything we plan accordingly. Otherwise, the 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock dinner, like that, everything is late. Now, this has become a part of our life, and we feel our health is the most important thing in our. Whatever we have, if we don't have oxygen, rather than putting all this mask and lying in the hospital bed, it's great when we feel gratitude to the air which is given by God, the oxygen which we inhale consciously. It goes to our lungs, it goes to our abdomen like that, and we breathe out. And that feel of breathing is great, really great.
That's awesome. That's awesome, Lakshmi. And would you like to share something about how did you feel the community and the aspects of the courses which you got and all these things like and also the group energy and all?
Yeah, it's very, very good. Again, I want to say this community, there are so many people. I feel each person is unique from their own point of view. Each person has their own problem, and that will be the biggest thing for them. If this is my biggest problem, someone else will have some other. And I remember someone saying about the scare, they have fear of snake. And so many people came forward to help that person. And that's very important. These days, we don't see people don't have time for anything. They're just they want to make money and spend for their family. And it is inevitable also. I know money is very important. But then we need love, compassion, and elements like that is lacking in our community. And I would like that more youngsters come into this and be a part of this community. And they can also help Badrisa for this activities. So we can have all this get-togethers online and offline also. So many programs we can just and according to Sir's wish, we should be able to people to 1 million people should listen to this and practice this. And it's my wish. This is a great community. People helping each other, just giving a message. More power to you. We also feel good when we give a good wish to others rather than cursing and nagging, complaining, not feeling grateful. All those are negative. We become positive when we use these positive terms like more power to you and good wishes, gratitude, thank you, kindness, kind words. All these are the part of this group.
Great, great, Lakshmi ji. So thank you for that. And what would you like to share, like for the people who are already part of the community and also people who are watching this? So what do you think, like they have to really take action on? Like how can they be like make sure like they'll get better results?
Yeah. I think for the people of this community, even when they're traveling, at least do 10 minutes breathing, inhale, exhale, and that square box breathing. Many terms you have told, and I don't know how you made this course, how you designed this course so beautifully, and you never pressurize us in doing anything. So light, up to our capacity we do, and so we feel we are doing something, but according to our capacity. And daily, the body also loves us back, and so then we become more and more flexible in mind and body. So, people of the community, I would like to say that keep on practicing without missing even a session. Daily. Even if you are lying on the bed, as I did today, it's all abdominal breathing lying on my back. So, even we can do that. if we are not sick also, we can just be conscious of inhaling, exhaling. Even we have fever, I feel it's good if we can do. And for people who are wishing to join or who are just thinking whether to join or not, I would say please join because I feel it's not nothing. I never have seen Sir before or anything. It's my personal decision. I just asked my husband. I told I think my mind says that I should join this. Otherwise, I will be just become an addict to my inhaler. I'll just go to some psychiatrist, have some pills, and grow again fat, and bloating, and every time sleeping. It will not be a healthy lifestyle. But for all these symptoms, it's good. So people who wish to join, I think it is a good opportunity. You can join and see. You can just experience the things, take the decision.
Great, Lakshmi ji. So people like see, you have problem. Everyone has problem. It's not that like nobody is very good or anything, but it's only about like finding the right solution, having the right path, having the right mentor will give the results. So what you are going to get here is a right path, right mentor, proven method, and all these things you will be getting. So we unnecessarily make our problems complicated. We don't take action when we got one problem, and that leads to another problem, that leads to another problem, that leads to another problem, right? So when it becomes very serious, we want some other solution. So that time, like, you just have to manage. You cannot really cure. But people who are like really like serious about this and reverse your diseases, this is the best decision you can make. And I'm leaving the links below. How can you be part of our community? And also you can join our workshop, which is like very affordable. At least you will, if you join that workshop, you will be able to learn the foundation aspects of breathing and how you have to do breathing, and what are the things you have to consider while you're breathing, and how can you heal with just power of your breath without depending on any external things. So with this, I thank you so much, Lakshmi ji, for your time and coming here and motivating our audience. And you are such an inspiration person, like in our community. And day one onwards, I'm seeing you like you are so active, and you are the first person who can answer the questions and all those things. So keep continuing that enthusiasm, and keep getting more results. Keep becoming better and better and better every day. And that like your story is going to be very inspiring for all of us. Thank you so much, Lakshmi ji.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving this opportunity and designing such a beautiful course. Let
Yeah.
it be helpful to the whole world and let your dream also come true. Like it should reach 1 million people. And we are just proud that we are also part of that mission.
Yes, you are. Thank you.